Hello, this is Joan of Arc. We just had barbecue eating, and it's almost a competition. I'm here before
It's not a competition.
sari-sari store.
Just
almost a competition. In Ilonggo, a sari-sari store or a mini store, like your mini convenience store, it's a tiyanggge. The Tagalogs pronounce it as tiyanggge.
That's where the convenience store
It's
originated.
tiyanggge. So remember that when you go to a mini convenience store like this, and they're selling like almost everything that you can find in a 7-Eleven, but this is the Ilonggo TYANGGE. Alright? This is Vanji's store. And what can you find at Vanji's store? A lot of chips, even charcoal, and tanduay, peanuts, and a lot of other items for sale like water, cigarettes, and soft drinks. So this is our tiyanggge. Barbecue stick is this called a salay? When
Salay.
Isaka salay.
I had 13 salays.
Jessila had 13 barbecue sticks or salay. Is that a skewer?
Ano?
Skewer is a salay.
I fall
Or
asleep.
it's one salay. And so let's count how many salays did we consume for each one of us.
13.
Jessila had 13, while I had how many? Pila. 7. I have 6 in my hand.
And Butch
7.
has?
Butch has how many salay?
9.
10.
So the winner is Jessila.
The gluton
The gluttony award
goes to
Jessila. 13 salays. Second place
What
is
prize
Butch.
do I have?
The barbecue. No more. Well, this is Joan of Arc again. And thank you for watching. This is One Salay. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.